Sanding marks are a painting defect that usually occur due to an incorrect sanding and preparation of the intermediate coats. This video shows its most common causes and how to correct this defect. Sanding marks are a set of grooves or scratches that have not been coated or filled by the paint coat. This defect usually appears below the finish. Sandpaper marks result from too coarse sanding in the preparation areas or lack of paint filling and levelling power. These marks appear as a result of a decreased coat thickness during the drying process. Let's take a look at some of the causes of sanding marks and their possible solution. If you choose a coarser grit than what is recommended, it will cause a mark that is too deep to be levelled by the paint layer. Follow the instructions provided in each product's technical datasheet, which will specify the grit size to be used. It is also important to follow a proper sanding technique, using the different sandpaper grits gradually. It is advisable to smoothen the sanded surfaces to enhance the paint coverage and levelling. In addition, choose an orbit size according to the type of paint you are going to sand. For example, for finish coats use smaller orbits. Observing the drying times established in the technical datasheet for the intermediate coats is essential. Likewise, an insufficiently thick finish coat will prevent the full coverage and levelling of the marks and grooves produced during sanding, encouraging the appearance of sanding marks. Once the part is dried, inspect and assess the size and scope of the damage. Contrary to what happens in single stage paint, in base coat paint finishes such as the one in this example, sanding and polishing of the surface will not be possible. This is because the marks are in the base and not only in the clear coat, so they cannot be removed by polishing the surface. Depending on the severity of the damage, apply a new top coat to conceal the marks. If the surface shows certain relief or roughness, repair the area from scratch, preparing the intermediate coat again and applying the finish paint.